Hi, my name is Johanna Brooks, and I am from Kernersville, North Carolina, which is right outside of Winston. At least my part of Kernersville is right outside of Winston. My year in school, this is my second year at Appalachian State, and my major is nutrition dietetics. I hope to work clinically and then move into community dietetics and community nutrition, maybe military, I'm not really sure. Um, my backup plan is probably to be a WIC nutritionist because I do like the community setting and I'm already a folic acid ambassador for the March of Dimes. Um, Something that I hope to learn about in class is the extent to which food service plays in a clinical setting. I've already worked for a hospital in the food service area, but I'd like to see how the underlying aspects of that runs. Something interesting or unique about me. I have 6 pets. So I have 2 fish, and my dad has 2 dogs, and my mom has 2 dogs. So 4 dogs, 2 fish. So I like animals. They're fun. Bye.